Today class is about how to create a group of company in Tally ERP9, and under the group of company, under the group, we have different subsidiaries. So how to create a group and group of the subsidiaries companies in Tally ERP9. For example, we have a group of company that is Burhan group of companies, and under Burhan group of companies, we have different subsidiaries like we have Burhan Electronics, we have Burhan Motors, we have Burhan Services also, right? So first, as a Tally ERP9 consultant, the first thing is that we need to create different subsidiaries in Tally ERP9, and then we'll link with the group of companies. So I already created like three different companies we have here. One is Burhan Construction LLC, the second one is Burhan Electronics, and the third one is Burhan Motors. Right, these companies are already created, so what we will do now, we will create another subsidiary that is Burhan Services now. So how to create a company, a sub-company in Tally ERP9. Okay, if you have to create a new company, right, you will need to go here in this company info. The short key is Alt F3. And remember, if there is one underline in Tally ERP9, if there is one underline, we use Alt as a helping key, Alt F3. If you want to go in the period, you will use the option that is Alt F2. And look, there is no underline in this date option, so you need to press F2 key only. Okay, but similarly, if you want to go to this Tally shop here, so there are two underlines, right? So if there are two underlines, you will use Control S, the control as a helping key. So if there is no underline, you will press that specific key. Like here we have F2, or here if you want to select a company, that is F1 without underline. But if there are one underline, you will use Alt as a helping key. And if there are two underlines, like if you want to go in the support center, you will use the keyboard shortcut that is Control H. So we want to go, I want to create a new company, a subsidiary, that is Burhan Services. So you need to go here, Alt F3. And here we have this option that is Create Company. Enter. So we are giving the name that is Burhan Services, but first we have this directory. Directory is that the company backup file or the data is saving in the C drive in the folder user, public, Tally ERP9, and all your company work in saving in this location. Then you need to enter the name of the company, that is Burhan Services LLC. Press enter. So the mailing name is the same, the company name. Press enter, and here you need to give the address information about this Burhan Services. So for example, that is 102 Bain Street, Road, and that is in Dubai. Press enter. You need to select the country, that is UAE. Enter, and you need to give the Emirates option, that if your company is located in UAE, so that is located in which Emirates, because that is an important information when you're submitting the back report in Tally ERP9. So for example, that is located in Sharjah. Enter, and here you need to give the phone number, the landline number of your company. I'm giving a random number right now. Enter, and that is the mobile number of the owner or that the finance manager, right, the contact person in your company. Enter. If there is a fax number, you can give the fax number. Enter. That is the email ID of the company. Enter. And you can mention the website of your company. Then press enter. And then your financial year beginning from, suppose assume it that our financial period is starting from 1st January 2019, and our books are also starting the same from 1st January 2019. Enter. And if you want to protect, if you want to put a password on your company information on your company, you can use both of these options. Enter. Then we have statutory information. You want to enable the VAT. So as per the UAE tax law, that is a mandatory option. We need to enable the VAT. So press enter. Yes. Then we have TRN number. TRN number, that is called tax registration number. So that is a 15-digit code. So I'm entering any unique code right now. Enter. And that is a registration date when your company registered with the FDA. FDA means Federal Tax Authority in UAE, in United Arab Emirates. So my registration date is 1st January 2019, and we are submitting the return either monthly or quarterly. So for example, for this company, we are submitting the VAT report quarterly. Enter. And first quarter tax period starts from 1st January. Yes. Enter. And then we have this base currency information. The base currency symbol, that is AED. Enter. Formal name, that is UAE dirham. Enter. Suffix symbol to amount, you want to use this symbol with the amount. Yes, I want to use the currency symbol with the amount, so press yes. Add space between amount and symbol. Yes, I want the space between amount and the symbol. Press enter. Show amounts in million. Yes, I want to show amounts in millions. Enter. Number of decimal places, so that is 2. Like if you're writing 1000, so 1000.00, so that is 2 decimal. And word representing after decimals, that is fails, right? And the number of decimal places for amount in words, that is also 2. Now we have 2 options. If you want to save anything in Tally ERP 9, either you can use the short key, that is Control A, or you can just enter and then enter again. Double enter to save, or Control A is the short key to save anything in Tally ERP 9. Press enter again. So now look, our company is created, that is Burhan Services LLC. That is the current company which is open right now. And at the background, we have this company is also open, that is Burhan Construction LLC. So you can open multiple companies at the same time in Tally ERP 9. So if you want to open, let's suppose I want to open Burhan Motors now. So you can go in the select company option, enter, and here is the list of all the companies. These are the subsidiaries right now. So I want to open Burhan Motors, enter. So look, this Burhan Motor is currently open and it is highlighted in black color, is in the bold. So it means this is the company which is open right now. And if you want to switch between the companies, you can go one step back, you can press escape key. If you want to switch between the company codes, for example, I want to work on Burhan Services now. So here we have this option, that is company. So you can switch, you can select the company. Click it and you can select Burhan Electronics, enter. So now look, it is bold now, so it's mean the currently selected company, that is Burhan LLC. And I want to see that how many companies I have in my system in the software right now, how many companies we created. So here we have this option, that is select company, and here you can see the list of all the companies. Now my client, they want a group of companies, right? My client requirement is that they have different subsidiaries, and the parent company is Burhan group of companies. So now what we need to do, we need to create this Burhan group of companies in Tally ERP 9. So go one step back. So again, what you will do, you will go in this company info, and look here we have this option, that is create group company. Enter. So currently we have 4 companies, subsidiaries in our list. So I want to create a group for all those subsidiaries. So here you need to mention the name. You need to enter the name of the group. So that is Burhan group of companies. Companies. Enter. Mailing name is same. You need to mention the address. City. Enter, and it is in UAE. You can write the first 3 letters, it will highlight UAE. Enter. And the Emirates is Dubai. It is very important if you are submitting a return in UAE. And you can write the telephone numbers. I'm just entering any random numbers right now. Okay, mobile number, fax, email, and the company website. Press enter, and now you need to select all the subsidiaries for this Burhan group of companies. So let's suppose I select here Burhan Construction, enter, that is Burhan Motors and Burhan Services, and then end of list, enter, and Control A to save, or enter to save. Now if you see here, the currently company which is open, that is Burhan group of companies, and if you see here also that is in black, it is highlighted in black, and under that Burhan group of companies all the subsidiaries are open. Okay, if I want to see that, if I want to close all the others and I just want to open only the Burhan group of companies, so then we have this option, that is Alt F1, that is shut company, to shut your existing companies. So I want to close this Burhan Motors, shut company again, Burhan Services, shut company, and Burhan Construction. So only company code which will be open, that will be Burhan group of companies. Enter. So now look, we have that is our group of company, and under the group we have different subsidiaries like Burhan Construction, Burhan Motors, Burhan Services. And if you want to check the reports, if you are in the main group, for example, if you I want to see the balance sheet. So go in the balance sheet, that is the report section. Go in the balance sheet, press enter. So it will show you the report of Burhan group of companies. It's a consolidated financial statement, right? If you press enter, if you drill down the report, then it will show you the further that the items detail, that the company information, that where the data is coming from, which company. So look, it is coming from this Burhan's Construction right now. Okay, so go one step back. Similarly, you can check, if I check here profit loss statement account, press enter. So again, it will show us Burhan group of company, that is a consolidated profit loss statement account. right? You can show this in detail also, right? Right now we have a random entries here. So that is how you will set up a group of companies, and if your client requirement is that they want to check consolidated financial statement for all the subsidiaries, then that is how you will create group of companies in Tally ERP 9, right? And similarly, we have the stock summary. Press enter. So that is Burhan group of company again. Okay, and that is a ratio analysis. Press enter, and that is a ratio analysis for Burhan group of companies. So one step back, right? So that is how you will set up a group of company in Tally ERP 9. So our next topic, that is related with the chart of account, and how to set up chart of account or ledgers in Tally.